This is the 51st Silva challenge. Unfortunately, Cecil will not be able to complete the challenge. Sometimes real-life events prevent us from doing the things we really want to do. And since this challenge started in December of 2021, out of the 51 participants that have received the box, I've been incredibly lucky that this is only the second time that someone hasn't been able to finish the challenge. Given all of the things that we encounter in our lives, I marvel at the fact that 49 people have been able to get it done within that time frame. And so I'm thankful for that. And these builds are meant to be an escape from real life and the problems with real life. And they're a celebration of the builders who are willing to take the challenge and do silly things to these little toys. Now, one little known, because again, this is only the second time, aspect of the Silva challenge is that when one is not completed, I give away one of my customs to someone selected at random. And so for this giveaway, I'm giving away what you see on screen is a very old build of mine, very rough, from August 25th, 2019. It's a post-apocalyptic urban transport that I built. And so I'll be giving that away to one of the people that leaves a comment on this video. On July 27th, sometime that day, I'll use the YouTube random comment picker to select someone, and then I'll send this out to them. Again, as a celebration of what we're doing here and the joy that we can all have with this and the escape it provides all of us from all of the things going on in the world. This is the thing that we share. And as ridiculous as it may seem to those outside this hobby, it's a nice escape. It's fun. And it's not just the builds, but it's the community that we've created surrounding this silly hobby. So, good luck to those who leave comments to hopefully win this casting. And Cecil, I hope all goes well for you and things go smoothly. And everyone, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. And I'll catch you in the next one.